1. Largest country. Russia is the largest country in the world, covering about 17.1 million square kilometers. 2. Largest continent. Asia is the largest continent, spanning approximately 44.58 million square kilometers. 3. Largest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean, covering around 63 million square miles. 4. Largest desert. The Antarctic Desert is the largest desert in the world, measuring about 14 million square kilometers. 5. Largest city. Tokyo, Japan, is often considered the largest city in the world by population, with over 37 million residents in its metropolitan area. 6. Largest animal. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet, 30 meters, and weighing as much as 200 tons. 7. Largest land animal. The African elephant is the largest land animal, with males weighing up to 12,000 pounds, about 5,443 kilograms. 8. Largest living tree. The General Sherman tree, a giant sequoia in California, is the largest known living single-stem tree by volume. 9. Largest flower. Rafflesia arnoldi produces the largest individual flower, which can grow up to 3 feet, 1 meter, in diameter. 10. Largest lake. The Caspian Sea is the largest enclosed inland body of water, often classified as a lake, covering around 371,000 square kilometers. 11. Largest volcano. Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the largest volcano in the world by volume and area, rising about 13,000 feet, 4,000 meters, above sea level. 12. Largest coral reef. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest coral reef system, stretching over 2,300 kilometers. 13. Largest island. Greenland is the largest island in the world, covering about 2.166 million square kilometers. 14. Largest glacier. The Lambert Glacier in Antarctica is the largest glacier in the world, measuring about 100 kilometers wide and 400 kilometers long. 15. Largest animal migration. The migration of wildebeests in the Serengeti is considered the largest animal migration, with over 1.5 million wildebeests participating annually. 16. Largest human-made structure. The Great Wall of China is the largest human-made structure, stretching over 13,000 miles. 17. Largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 86,881 miles, 139,822 kilometers. 18. Largest star. Uvae Scuti is one of the largest known stars, with a radius estimated to be over 1,700 times that of the Sun. 19. Largest mammal migration. The annual migration of grey whales is one of the largest migrations by mammals, traveling up to 12,000 miles. 20. Largest fortress. The Kremlin in Moscow is the largest fortress in the world, spanning over 68 acres. 21. Largest cave. Son Doong Cave in Vietnam is the largest cave in the world, with sections large enough to house a skyscraper. 22. Largest snowflake. The largest snowflake ever recorded measured 15 inches in diameter and fell in Fort Keogh, Montana. 23. Largest library. The Library of Congress in the United States is the largest library in the world, containing over 170 million items. 24. Largest diamond. The Cullinan diamond, discovered in South Africa, is the largest gem-quality diamond ever found, weighing 3,106 carats. 25. Largest living organism. The Armillaria ostoi fungus in Oregon is considered the largest living organism, covering an area of nearly 2,385 acres.